When I cross this earthly door, standing in the perfect light, all the battles fought before fade away in Jesus' sight. Sin and sorrow lose their chains when I stand before the Lamb. Mercy wraps me in His name. Love defines just who I am. Every burden I have known lays before His shining throne. Every tear I hid alone, washed away by Him alone. Every longing in my soul finds the place it's meant to stay. When at last I'm finally home, in His arms I rest always. Now my heart will clearly see what this world could never be. Jesus' arms, my endless home, save